Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday and it is Errand Day. We have a 3-layer cake. First layer is our routines. There are 5 of them. Second layer is our zone. We're in zone 2, the kitchen. Third layer is our basic weekly plan, and it is Errand Day. So let's start with the first thing, our 5 routines. First routine. Get up in the morning and do your morning routine. If it's past morning when you're watching this and you haven't done it, stop what you're doing and go back and do your morning routine. You may be shocked that you've actually done part of it and not even realized it. Morning routine. I talked about it yesterday if you want to go back and watch yesterday's video. Second thing is our laundry. We're going to get our laundry going. You know, I really love a plan. I love Monday sheets, Tuesday towels, Wednesday whites, Thursday mediums, Friday dark, and if you have more towels, Saturday towels again. Or if you work, maybe sheets are on Saturday. Or if you have a kid in there, a child in there who's old enough to do their laundry, maybe that's their laundry day, Saturday. Or pick another day. But I love a schedule. I think it makes it so much easier because we always beat ourselves up because there's always laundry. Well, there's always laundry. We're human beings and we create laundry every day, all day long. So if you have a load of darks and a load of whites and a load of mediums waiting, the sheets are clean on the bed, and you're washing towels today, you don't feel bad about it because you know tomorrow you're going to do darks or whites or whatever it is, okay? Okay, you don't have to do that. I like to do that. All right, now, after you get your laundry going, you're going to go through an inch of paper. That laundry is going to go for a little bit, so go through an inch of paper. Get that done. An inch a day is, we do it 6 days a week. That's 6 inches. That's a half a foot a week. In a week, that's a foot. In a month, that's 2 feet. In 6 months, that is 12 feet of paper. Do you have that much paper in your home? I hope you don't, but if you do, it's going to be gone in 6 months. An inch a day. Not overwhelming. Okay, now, after we've done that, we're going to listen for that laundry and get it in the dryer later. But if you're working, you're not going to do this until you come home. You're going to do your morning routine and your children's morning routine. And then when you come home, you're going to start your laundry, go through an inch of paper, and then start supper. While supper is simmering, you're going to go ahead and work in the next thing, which is zone 2, the kitchen. The kitchen is an easy room to work in because you're already there making dinner. For the rest of us, after you've done your laundry and you've got your paper done and your laundry's still running, you're going to go on in your kitchen and do that one thing you wrote in your book to do today, unless you're decluttering, and then you're going to declutter for 10 minutes. If you're not decluttering, you're going to do that one thing that takes 10 minutes or less in your kitchen, not as a perfectionist. Even though it's considered a deep clean, it's not perfectionism cleaning. You're just going to clean it. It's going to be respectably done and done. And it's going to look just as good as if somebody did some super ridiculous detail cleaning on it, okay? Now that doesn't mean that you don't want to clean around the faucet. You know, when you're doing your shine your sink, you know, we did that. That's in the very, very beginning of these videos. If you're shining your sink, yeah, you're going to get some details going there, but we're not taking the faucet off, right? You don't have to do that. And I think that's what people do. I think they have to deconstruct things to clean them. That's not true. Just clean it. Okay. Sorry, I digress. The next thing is what? Okay, after you've done that, you've done zone 2, then you're going to do your basic weekly plan. Today is Errand Day. So if you are an at-home fly baby, you're going to go out on your errands now that you've done all the housework. It's all done. None of it's hard. And you may not even have that laundry dry yet. It may just be in the dryer. That's okay. Go out and get your groceries, run your errands, come back, fluff the towels or fluff whatever it is you've got in the dryer again. Turn it on for a few minutes, get it warm, fold it, hang it up, put it away, whatever it takes. Get it done. That's getting the laundry done. You may be a person with a huge family. You may have 2 loads of laundry to do. That's okay. Get that done. Start the second load when the first one goes in the dryer. Put it in the dryer when the first one comes out. Fold it and put it away. That's the key to getting your laundry done. Folding it and putting away when it's warm out of the dryer. Okay, so laundry's done. You've worked in your zone in the kitchen. You've run out and done your errands. Now, if you're working, errand day is just a few things that you run around and do, right? You can't buy your groceries on errand day, but, well, you could. Maybe on your way home, or maybe you're having them delivered, or maybe you're going to stop and have them put in your car because you're picking them up, or maybe you delegated that, or maybe it's going to happen on Saturday. It doesn't matter. Just make sure it's attended to today, that it's all in the plan, okay? And then That's it. That's all you have to do today. Now maybe you've delegated, if you're a payroll fly baby or even a mom at home, you've delegated that one thing a day in the weekly home blessing hour instead of doing it all on Monday. Well, then inspect what you expect. It's very important. Okay, now when you're done with that, we're going to have dinner tonight. It's going to be great. You're going to start feeling better every day because you're taking care of yourself and you're doing your routines and you're doing your zones and you're doing your basic weekly plan. And your family is feeling more taken care of because you've been taking care of yourself. Now you have more time and focus for your family, okay? I know that sounds counterintuitive, but it's true. The more you take care of yourself, the better you'll have to focus on your children and your family, the more time. All right, so after dinner, everybody, including the children, are going to help you clean the kitchen. Everyone has a little job. When it's done, we're going to enjoy each other, and then our before bed routine kicks in, and then to bed. And that's it for today. Don't forget to check your planner. Always remember to check your planner in the morning and before you go to bed. Lay out your clothes based on what you're doing. Don't forget to take that item out of the freezer that you may need to take out, the casserole or the meat or whatever it is. And remember to do your 3 clutter checks. Be like a little guard dog against clutter on those empty spots that you've already decluttered. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.